I, Megha Mohan, Faculty of Management Department of Technion Institute of Advanced Studies, is going to deliver a lecture on advantages of GST and what are the changes that GST has brought in the country. Now let's talk about what are the advantages of implementation of GST. GST has mainly removed the cascading effect on the sale of goods and services. Removal of cascading effect has impacted the cost of goods. Since the GST regime eliminates the tax on tax, the cost of goods decreases. GST is mainly a technologically driven tax. All the activities like registration, return filing, application for refund and response to the notices needs to be done online on the GST portal. This accelerates the entire process. Now let's talk about what changes has GST brought in. In the pre-GST system, every purchaser, including the final consumer, paid tax on tax. This tax on tax is called cascading effect. GST has removed this effect as the tax is calculated on the entire value addition at each stage of the transfer of ownership. This indirect tax system under GST has improved the collection of taxes as well as boosted the development of Indian economy by removing the indirect tax barriers between the states and integrating the country through a uniform tax rate. In the case of goods and service tax, there is a way to claim credit for the tax paid in acquiring input. That is known as input credit system. What happens in this case is the individual who had paid a tax already can claim credit for this tax when he submits his taxes. In the end, every time an individual is able to claim the input tax credit, the sale price is reduced and the cost price for the buyer is reduced because of the lower tax liability. This is how GST has changed the entire tax system in India. I hope you understood today's topic of advantages of GST and the changes it has brought in India. To see more such videos, please like, subscribe and comment Technia TV. Thank you.